The first gulp from the glass of natural sciences will turn you into an atheist, but at the bottom of the glass, God is waiting for you. What we observe is not nature itself, but nature exposed to our method of questioning. Only a few know how much one must know to know how little one knows. The reality we can put into words is never reality itself. An expert is someone who knows some of the worst mistakes that can be made in his subject and how to avoid them. After the conversations about Indian philosophy, some of the ideas of quantum physics that had seemed so crazy suddenly made much more sense. The more closely you look at one thing, the less closely can you see something else. The very act of observing disturbs the system. The path comes into existence only when we observe it. The existing scientific concepts cover always only a very limited part of reality, and the other part that has not yet been understood is infinite. Natural science does not simply describe and explain nature. It is part of the interplay between nature and ourselves. There is a fundamental error in separating the parts from the whole, the mistake of atomizing what should not be atomized. Unity and complementarity constitute reality. It will never be possible by pure reason to arrive at some absolute truth. The one who insists on never uttering an error must remain silent. My mind was formed by studying philosophy, Plato, and that sort of thing. There are things that are so serious that you can only joke about them. By getting to smaller and smaller units, we do not come to fundamental or indivisible units, but we do come to a point where further division has no meaning. Every tool carries with it the spirit by which it has been created. The same organizing forces that have shaped nature in all her forms are also responsible for the structure of our minds. It is probably true quite generally that in the history of human thinking, the most fruitful developments frequently take place at those points where two different lines of thought meet. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.